Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share my experience of making vitamin C toner, which I recently added to my skin routine. And honestly, I see the amazing results on my face. It's very easy and completely natural, believe me. What you need is just orange peels, rose water, and rose petals. That's all. Peel off an orange and cut the peels in small pieces and add the orange peel to a rose water and mix well. Keep aside for 2 hours. You should also add some rose petals to it. You can put all these ingredients into a spray bottle and apply it on your face every morning or before going to bed, and you don't need to wash it. The peels of orange has much more vitamin C. It has antioxidants that give you a clear and brightened skin. So this tone works as a skin lightening and brightening. Hope you can make it and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching.